So how do you niche down as a licensed real estate professional? Because you probably started off with working with your sphere of influence, friends and family, and people that you know, and people do business with someone they know, like, and trust. And so it's easier to start with that process. Now, they do say the riches are in the niches. And also when you think about having more success and scaling your business, you want to use technology to do that. You want to leverage your past efforts for your future successes, and you're going to want to also save yourself time so you can be able to leverage that past time and efforts filming those videos like what I'm doing right now, filming this video to leverage my past efforts. So then your future potential customers can find you, and then they can be able to see that you know what you're talking about. Then they can build the know, like, and trust with you. So welcome, my name is Norman Lloyd Kinsey III, your CEO and co-founder of Liftoff Agent, and one market positioning agency. I've been in this industry for 10 plus years, met well over 16,000 plus agents. At Liftoff Agent, we help you start, ramp, or scale up. And one of the things that we do is help you niche down and get focused on your brand, your avatar, your website, those landing pages, your social, and YouTube. So then you can be able to have content out there to be able to passively prospect and be able to have more success with that process. And one of the biggest ways to niche down in 2025 and beyond that we're seeing with someone like Adam Hancock, he's crushing it with the Sunshine State Company and the Florida Relocation Guide, the channel junkies, Jesse and Jackson, also passive prospecting. So that's going to be living in Dallas, Texas with Levi and Travis. You're seeing time in and time out, which is area content. So if you live in a specific area like Florida and or potentially also maybe you live in Texas, those would be great relocation states. And what you can do if you want to get into any type of relocation type content, if you're going to niche down in that type of specific target demographic, is you can go on Google and you can quickly search to find out how many individuals are relocating to my blank city. That'll give you a baseline to find out specifically how many individuals are relocating to your city. When you do area specific content, that's going to be really good because then you can then focus on any type of buyer and any type of seller and be in that specific niche. Now, if you want to work with a specific buyer type or a specific seller type, and or you want to break into a luxury type market, maybe you want to work with just luxury buyers and sellers. Well, then if that's going to be the case, then you want to go deeper into the opportunity of being able to showcase listings within a specific price point. You can be able to do video walkthrough tours and feature listings and affluent areas on your YouTube channel. And YouTube is a great way for you to be able to niche down and to be able to put out content to passively prospect to have more success with that process. Now, there are individuals that do specifically use and also go on YouTube, not just YouTube, but use Instagram and Facebook and other social channels to be able to niche down and to be able to put out content to educate individuals. Now, I wanted to first go over a couple different ways or a couple different targets that you can think about when you niche down. First thing I would recommend is thinking about what your brand identity looks like. Your logo, your colors, your branding. Finding a really good brand that resonates with your target demographic, like someone like living in Dallas, Texas, they have the Texas logo because they only focus on individuals looking to buy and or sell and relocate to this specific area. So what does that logo, what does that brand, and what does that color mean to you? The second thing I would think about is thinking about your website. Now, when you think about your website, a website can be used in multiple different ways, but you could put together specific landing pages on a website that would help you be able to put out content to attract that ideal person, said if they want to move to your area, with a guide, with videos, blog content to be found on Bing, Google, and Yahoo, where you can easily be able to leverage your past efforts for your future successes. The third thing I would want you to think about is thinking about the social media, making sure that you set up your Facebook and your Instagram, your Twitter, and your LinkedIn, and thinking about what different social platform would you want to leverage the most with your niche market. The fourth thing I want you to think about outside of just your logo and your website and social media is your YouTube channel, and thinking about having a YouTube channel that can help you be able to passively prospect by adding value to your specific area is huge. YouTube isn't going to be as effective from the perspective of filming content for empty nesters or luxury specific buyers. Now, you can film really cool video walkthrough tours on YouTube and get lots of views there, and it's also very effective with area content, but it's not going to be as effective, and it's going to be a long-term play if you're specifically filming buyer content, putting out their selling content, and then also if you're looking to then work with someone looking to downsize. You can also put content out there on YouTube as well when building a YouTube channel for distressed home sellers as well. It's just something that's going to take a longer time. So if you're looking to have quicker, faster success, then niching down, getting on YouTube and filming videos might not be 100% for you, but definitely something for you to take into consideration. Last but not least, bringing it all together is you want to think about making sure that you're consistent with whatever it is that you're doing. So if this is helpful and you find this to be informative and you want to get some additional ways to be able to niche down from your website, down below, if you comment the word website, we're going to send you to the landing page that you see here. And this landing page is going to have a 18-minute video that you can watch. That's going to be like an owner's manual for your website. There's also going to be a guide that you can download, which is going to be the 10 game-changing tools for your website, and it's going to go directly into how can you niche down on the buy side, the sell side, how can you be able to get and take advantage of search engine optimization and get more people to your website to download guides, to be able to fill out forms so you can be able to get additional lead flow. If that was helpful, then we would love to be able to get your feedback, and you can go ahead and comment that word website. We'll get you that link to go to this location. You can like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, as we have new videos that come out every single week, 2 a week, and it's our intention to help you be able to leverage that past efforts for your future successes. In this case, niche down, have more success, and thank you so much for your time. We'll see you all on the next one.